Messages from the Senate.
Message from the Senate. Madam Speaker, I hereby announce the Senate has concurred and adopted the report of the Conference Committee on Senate File Number 5289, an act relating to economic development. The message is signed Thomas S. Bodern, Secretary of the Senate. Conference report on Senate File 5289. The report is addressed to the Honorable Bobby Joe Champion, President of the Senate, the Honorable Melissa Hortman, Speaker of the House. We, the undersigned conferees for Senate File 5289, report that we've agreed upon the items in dispute and recommended as follows. The report is signed by 3 of the 3 conferees on the part of the Senate and 3 of the 3 conferees on the part of the House. Hassan moves that the report of the Conference Committee on Senate File Number 5289 be adopted and that the bill be repassed as amended by the Conference Committee.
The member from Hennepin, Representative Hassan.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. That's my motion.
On the motion to concur to adopt the Conference Committee report, all those in favor, please say aye. Those opposed, please say no. The motion prevails. The clerk will give the bill its 3rd reading as amended by conference.
3rd reading, Senate File Number 5289, as amended by conference.
3rd reading as amended by conference. Discussion to the bill. The member from Hennepin, Representative Hassan.
Thank you, Madam Speaker and members. I know it's late at night and our mental clarity is probably not all here. I want to thank our staff members who have worked tirelessly with us. I also want to thank our conferees, Jerry Shong and Representative Selesnikar. This is a great bill. It's a bill that, empowers our workforce. It touches on every part of the state of Minnesota, and it also, gives resources where it's needed. Please vote green. Thank you.
The member from Candido High, Representative Baker.
Thank you, Madam Speaker and members. I want to say this is a good bill. This is it's a good bill because you worked with us again too. It's a good bill because you included us in creating a better bill. It's not a perfect bill. It still spends money. We really did so much last year, and I've said that many times on the House floor. But there's some good policy in here too. You recognize projects around the state of Minnesota from the Workforce Fund. And again, I think I also just, a shout out to Chairman Zhang. He fought hard for the House position, and he had, I think it was not an easy position from his Senate colleague. I just want to say thank you, Representative, for that fight. You're a good chairman for that. I think you really did believe in your mission here. So, members, I plan on voting on this as it passes out. Again, I'm not sure that everybody will do that, but I think because of the process, because of the fight that we did have on this one, we can support a bill like this and help people around the state of Minnesota in a better than what we've seen in other bills. So I appreciate that, members. I'll be supporting the bill. Thank you.
The member from Ramsey, Representative Zhang.
I was not prepared. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Sometimes I think I see nods that apparently I don't see. Representative Zhang.
Well, thank you, Madam Speaker. I want to thank Chair Hassan and Representative Selesnikar for both of their leadership. There were times I walked away and they both brought me back and said, no, we need to get a jobs bill done this year. So thank you both. And of course to our staff, partisan and nonpartisan, and of course the senators who worked with us. I do want to note that we passed the bill out of the House with 17 million. We used up our 17 million target, but we came back with a $12.4 million. So we went under a little bit. Unfortunately, the Senate did not see eye to eye with us with some of the other fundings for Greater Minnesota and here in the Metro. But at the end of the day, we still got something done. So I'm very proud of the work here and looking forward to green votes.
The member from Dakota, Representative Koznick.
Just real briefly, members, from the economic development portion wasn't a lot of money, but just had a little bit of concerns with some of the overall spending in the bill. I will not be voting for it, but I appreciate the work of the committees.
Seeing no further discussion, the member from St. Louis, Representative Zalesnikar.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and members. I'll be brief, but I wanted to thank Chair Hassan and Chair Zhang. They were fantastic to work with, and I appreciate being able to have a bipartisan conference committee. I think we did some really great things. The Entrepreneur Fund is really important to Greater Minnesota, and I just want to thank you for hearing my concern for this. And Women Venture is a great opportunity for childcare in the state, and that is a huge initiative. And Greater Minnesota is going to have some great programs too. So I just wanted to say I think this is a great jobs bill, economic development that we need to be, and I encourage members to vote green, and thank you.
Seeing no further discussion, the clerk will take the roll on the bill. Will the clerk please call the names of the members voting remotely?
Acom.
Acom, aye.
Acom, aye. Carroll. Carroll, aye.
The clerk will close the roll. There being 83 ayes and 47 nays, the bill is repassed as amended by the conference committee and its title agreed to.